Hey everyone, is Incogni worth it in 2026? Short answer, for most people, yes. And in this honest Incogni review, I will show you exactly what you get, where it falls short, and how to grab it for the lowest price. The link in my description applies an exclusive 60% off automatically, or you can enter YTSTACK at checkout. Let me get into it. First, what Incogni actually is. It is a data removal service built by the team behind Surfshark, one of the bigger names in privacy. Data brokers and people search sites quietly scrape, collect, and sell your personal information, your name, address, phone number, date of birth, even your relatives. Incogni sends legally backed opt-out requests on your behalf to get that data deleted, and because it cites real privacy laws, those brokers have to comply. Setting it up takes a couple of minutes. You add your details, your name, date of birth, email, home address, and phone number, and you can add up to 3 of each if you have moved around or have multiple emails. Then you sign one authorization form that lets Incogni act for you, and that is it. It scans, finds your records, and starts firing removal requests automatically. Here is what actually matters day to day. On every plan, including the cheapest, Incogni covers over 420 data broker sites automatically. The dashboard is genuinely good. It is real time. It shows how many requests have been sent, are in progress, and completed, and it gives every broker a compliance score for how likely they are to comply, and a severity score for how sensitive the data is. It even color codes the brokers holding financial or health data, so you can see where the real risk sits. There is a suppression list so former offenders cannot quietly re-record you, plus a running counter of the hours it has saved you. Does it actually work? In independent testing, Incogni removes data from dozens of sites within the first weeks. And one big credibility point is that its process was independently audited by Deloitte, which confirmed the removals are really sent and that it does not sell your data. For 2026, it also stands out with 4 plans, including 2 family options that cover up to 5 people, monthly or annual billing, which a lot of competitors do not offer, and live phone support on the higher tiers. Now the honest cons, because I do not trust a review without them. First, removals are not instant. Brokers legally have 30 to 45 days to comply, and some drag their feet well past that, so be patient. Second, in the first month especially, expect a flood of opt-out confirmation emails landing in your inbox as the requests go out. Third, like every removal service, Incogni cannot touch public records, social media posts, news articles, or Google search results directly. Fourth, custom removals beyond the core brokers only come on the unlimited plan, which then opens up over 3,000 more sites. And finally, remember, this is a data removal tool, not full identity theft insurance, so it will not monitor your credit or the dark web on its own. One more honest note on the deal. The 60% off applies to your first year and then renews at the standard rate. So if you only want the cheap year, set a reminder. So who is Incogni for? If you get constant spam, you have been in a breach, you have been doxxed, or you just want a smaller online footprint without spending hours doing it yourself, it is one of the best data removal tools I have tested, and it has the lowest cost per removal I have seen. Grab the standard plan if you just want the core protection, or unlimited if your data is everywhere and you want those custom removals. If you specifically want human privacy advisors reviewing every removal, or a full identity theft suite with credit monitoring, that is a different kind of product. But for affordable, automated, broad data removal, Incogni wins. So here is your move. Click the link in my description or scan the QR code, pick your plan, and the 60% off is applied for you. Or enter YTSTACK at checkout. There is a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test it risk-free. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.